My name's Neil Tilley from Alcatel-Lucent, and
my name is Eddie Biesemans from Hewlett-Packard.
And we'll be presenting at the Enterprise Collaboration and Innovation Theatre. Our presentation's called Change Your Conversation using Unified Communications as a Service or Unified Communications on-premise.
We look forward to see you over there for an interesting debate.
We'll be talking about the really understanding whether Unified Communications as a Service is the right solution for you. We're going to give an insight from the vendor's point of view, from the integrator's point of view, and also give you an insight onto what the service providers are thinking so that you can understand what their sell strategy is so you can decide your buy strategy.